Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, I'm working on a Hammond AO39 speaker amplifier that goes into a Hammond A102 organ. And of course, these are found in any of the Hammond A100 models with the internal speakers. This is the internal speaker amplifier. So anyway, what I'm doing now, I finished replacing the necessary resistors and electrolytic capacitors, and I'm at the final stage where I'm replacing the filter can capacitor. Now, the original design called for 2 filter cans, 30 at 450 volts. 30 at 450, 30 at 450. But what I will do is I have ordered the 30 at 475 volts can, and so this one can will replace the 2 cans here. Now I've already cut the leads from one side here. These leads were here. This was here, and then that was the ground running here all the way through here. So what I've done is I've cut those leads. I'll take care of that. I'll take care of these next, but I'm gonna leave those in for right now. These 2 will go at okay, on the other posts. All right, so I'll have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 2 wires will go to these 2 posts. So I'll have 2 at the bottom, 1 here, white here, the 2 red there, and then orange and a purple will go there. And then I'll connect the ground here. All right, so I'll run that ground. Let's say I'll run the ground through here like that. It'll run through there, like it'll run through there. All right, so let me get busy with that, and I'll be back. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.